Starting off, I'm going to prime my face using the Professional Pearl by Benefit. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Matte and Poreless Foundation by Maybelline, and I'm applying that all over my face using my damp beauty sponge. To conceal, I'm going to be using my Master Concealer in Light Medium by Maybelline as well, using my Sephora brush to blend that out, and then also my beauty sponge, and setting that in place using my MAC and Patrick Star Patrick powder, which I am obsessed with, you guys. Like, I love this powder, and I'm going to set the rest of my face as well. Going in with my ITSMYRAYERAYE and BH Cosmetics Mocha powder, I'm going to contour my face a little bit. And I'm using her brush as well. To warm up my face a little bit more, I'm going to go in with the Tarte and SHAYLA palette. And I'm going to be using that warm shade right there. And I'm just going to bronze up just a little bit more. Then going back into my ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, I'm going to take the color Chai. And I'm just gonna brighten my under eyes a little bit more and the center of my face. For the blush, I'm gonna go back into my SHAYLA and Tarte palette, and I'm gonna be using that blush in there. It complements my skin very well. Then to set my face, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus. For my shadows, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro color palette, and I'm going to be using that warm kind of orangey shade as my transition color. I did one eye off camera, don't know why, I guess to save some time. I just got really into it. But I'm using that pink shade as our next transition, and it was kind of pointless for me to do this, but I did it anyway on the other eye. Then I'm going to be taking that kind of purple lavender color and focusing that on the outer corners of my lid. We want to do a little ombre effect, so I'm just keeping all the colors where I want them to be. Then I'm just going to cut my crease using some more concealer and then set that in place. And I'm blending the purple and the concealer together so there's no harsh line, and very packing on that color so it could be like smoked out. Then for the inner parts of the lid, I'm going to go in with this like gold, very champagne color. And then for the center, to make that like a sandwich, I'm going to go in with this pink shimmery shade. It's so beautiful, especially when you start packing it on. And it's just like the perfect combo for that middle shade. And then I'm just blending out the edges with a clean blending brush. And then repeating the steps that we did on the lid on the bottom. So going in with that purple shade, and then going into that pink, and then the lighter shade for the inner corners. Then I'm just going to put some black liner on, and then I'm going to do a little wing on top to kind of blend in my falsies to my lashes, and just to make it a little bit more smokier. I applied some falsies. I can't remember what they're from, but you could apply any like spiky kind of open lashes. That's not going to take away from the actual look, but it's going to add a little bit more of a, you know, a dramatic look, if that makes sense. Not too overpowering, because you still want to see the colors. Then I'm just going to add some mascara to my tops and bottom. And then once I do my lashes, I always go in and add a little bit more of the colors to my lid, just because when you do add lashes, you kind of see like how dramatic you want your look to be. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just packing on all the colors again to make them pop a little bit more. And then for highlight, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Old Darling. For the lip liner, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Nutmeg liner per usual. I love this liner, it's like my favorite. And then for lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Balm Gloss. This has been my favorite thing, you guys. I cannot put this lip gloss down. But this is the final look. I hope you all enjoy. Please thumbs up if you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.